Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Excel and creating a blank workbook. You do this so your data has a stable container. Once the file is open, save it immediately as XLSX and pick a clear folder name to avoid lost work. Make sure Auto-Save is on or set save interval to 5 minutes in options. This prevents losing changes if Windows updates or an app crash occurs. Now that the file exists, you can enter structured data in rows and columns and plan your worksheet layout. You create a clear structure by labeling column headers and applying the correct number format so Excel interprets values correctly. Once done, convert the range to a table via Insert Table. This gives you filters, structured references, and automatic expansion when you add rows. Next, enter formulas like equals SUM B2, B10, and equals average C2, C10. Make sure to use $1 when you want an absolute reference. By combining tables with named ranges, your formulas stay readable and adjust as data grows. You finish by creating charts and pivot tables to visualize key trends. Select your table and choose Insert Chart, then adjust titles and axis labels for clarity. Next, apply conditional formatting and data validation to catch input mistakes and keep data consistent. Save a backup copy or enable OneDrive versioning so you can revert if needed. If calculations seem wrong, make sure calculation is set to automatic and check for accidental text in numeric cells.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.